Most people fear the unknown. Death feels like the biggest unknown. But Islam gives clear, practical answers. In this video, I will share 7 truths. These truths can change how you live today. Stay with me. Truth 4 surprises almost everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I make short, clear reminders. No complicated words, no long lectures, just practical points you can use. By the end, you will have 3 small steps to start now. Why talk about death now? Because how we picture the end changes how we live the present. Our habits, our time, our priorities, they all shift. A small change in view can change a whole life. First truth, the soul continues. Death is not the end of being. The body stops. The soul moves on. Think of it as a journey from one stage to the next. Sources describe a calm transition for those who lived with purpose. For those who ignored the heart, it can be a wake-up. This truth does 2 things. It reduces panic. It creates responsibility. We are not free from consequences, but we are given chances right now. Second truth, the grave is the first test. It is called Barzakh. It stands between this life and the next. What we plant in life appears there. Even small acts matter in that moment. A kind word, a short, sincere prayer, a small charity to help the needy. These simple things shape the early steps after death. So preparation is not only big acts, it is consistent little acts. Third truth, some deeds keep giving after we are gone. Charity that helps others later is one example. Teaching useful knowledge is another. If you teach someone a beneficial skill, it keeps returning rewards. Build things that help people after you are gone. Write simple guides. Record a short lesson. Even planting a tree can be a continuous good. Think long-term. Your good work can outlive you. Fourth truth, intentions are central. 2 people can do the same action. One does it to be praised. One does it quietly for God. Same action, very different reward. Intent shapes the value of an act. This means your inner motive matters more than outer show. A tiny, sincere act can outweigh many public acts done for fame. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? Check the heart before the deed. This truth changes the whole approach to life. It turns everyday acts into worship if the motive is right. Fifth truth, there will be a crossing. Often described as the Sirat, a bridge in many teachings. Some cross quickly, others may struggle. Preparation is more than rituals. It is how you treat people. It is truthfulness. It is loyalty to family. Regular kindness is the real training. Make steady, small changes. Consistency beats sudden bursts. Sixth truth, dua and mercy reach far. Make dua for yourself. Make dua for others. Charity on behalf of someone can ease their condition. Mercy from others benefits the soul beyond life. Never think your dua is wasted. Never stop asking for guidance and forgiveness. Never stop helping others. Seventh truth, keep hope. Avoid despair. God's mercy is vast, that brings comfort. But mercy is not a reason for carelessness. Hope should motivate good. Fear should keep us awake. Hold both. Stay humble. Stay hopeful. Here are 3 small steps you can do now. 1. Make a short, sincere dua every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. 2. Give a small charity this week. Even a little can reach far. 3. Check your intention before any act. Ask, why am I doing this? Do these 3 for 30 days. Watch how your heart and actions change. If this helped, like the video. Subscribe for short, useful reminders. Comment 1 word. Which truth surprised you most? Share this with one friend who needs to hear it. Thank you for watching. Peace be upon you.